Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can delete scheduled posts on your Facebook page. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, simply open your Facebook application, make sure that you are logged into your page just like this. And after doing that, here you'll get a dashboard icon on your navigation bar right here. Simply tap on your dashboard icon right here and open your professional dashboard page. So after doing that, here you'll get the option of content on the top right here. Simply tap on this button content. And here you can see this is the post that has been scheduled on your page. So in order to delete it, what you're going to do is tap on it. And here you can see this is the post. All you have to do is tap on this three-dot bar right here. And then you can get the option of delete. Simply tap on delete and then tap on delete post. So after doing that, we have now successfully deleted our scheduled post. If you refresh this page just like this, here you can see I don't have any published post or any scheduled post. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.